here with Buffalo Check Chicks. Now I am about ready to start a new project using these really cute carrots that I had bought over at Ross. And then I found this adorable bunny holding the bunch of carrots. But before I get started, we are having a beautiful day today. We've had lots of rain, but it's a pretty day. So I think that I'm going to take you out into my backyard and show you my new paved patio and all of my furniture. That took me forever to put together. So I'm going to turn you around, take you out in the backyard. All right. Okay, so this is the view from my kitchen table area. My windows are not the cleanest, but I do want to take you outside and show you my patio. It is a bright, sunshiny day. So this is the paver patio. It's about 17 feet by 17 feet. And then on either side, I have a strip of artificial lawn just to add some greenery. Now, I will probably have to get a couple of umbrellas to put there and there, or just one of those huge ones. I don't know yet. We'll see, because it gets extremely hot. I'm debating on umbrellas or whether I want to put some of those shade sails up. So, okay, so I know you're getting a shadow. I got my 2 potted plants done. And I think they came out really pretty. And they are artificial. So I did buy these artificial plants. They came in a bundle, and I think they were about, maybe about $17, $18 for the bundle of plants. And then I got this palm, which is also artificial, and got it in pots. And I think it's really pretty. If you didn't know, if I didn't tell you, you might even think they are real plants. But for the Arizona hot sun, I'm going to try these out. So there's a lot of furniture out here, and I'm really pleased the way that it fits the patio. It took me a long time to put it together. That's the only bad thing, is when you buy from Amazon, you do have to put it all together. But I tell you, all this patio furniture, these 2 chairs, all the cushions, the couch, this couch, and these 2 ottomans all came from Amazon. They were about $400 for the set, which I thought, what a great deal that was. I know you're getting a shadow, but we are already enjoying this. Then here on the other side, I also have some potted plants with the faux greenery in it. And I think it's so pretty. Love the colors. So I got the lavenders and the fuchsias and a little bit of yellows. So this is the entire area. And the fire pit right now is covered up because we've had so much rain, but we really have enjoyed the fire pit. And at nighttime, the lanterns, these are solar. They just came from the Dollar Tree. They were the $5 lanterns, and they come on every night. And then I've also tucked a little solar light in the pots, and at night it's really pretty lighting up the white rock in here. In the back there, my son had bought me, it's a bird feeder, and I don't know what you call those, whirligig, and it's really pretty how it spins when it's windy. So looking back at the house, I also have quite a large patio. I love it. And this was a set, these chairs. There's 4 chairs and 2 end tables. And that was a set that I had bought at Walmart. And of course, I had to put it together. And it was all delivered right to the house. That is a big box I have in case I have to tuck away anything really quick. I can throw it in there. I need to order one more of those, like my cushions or anything during a dust storm, which we do have quite frequently in the summertime. So anyways, guys, this is my patio. I'm really pleased the way it turned out. I do want to get some more potted plants and some other little decor out here. I'm not sure what, but that's it. Okay, so I have a little project here with these carrots that I had bought over at Ross. They're really cute. They're fabric. And these 2, so I got 2 bunches of those. One's a little bit larger than the other. And then these cute little carrots I found at the Dollar Tree. And the bunny here, sweet little face holding the carrots. And I found him at Marshall's. He was $12.99. Don't look at my dishes in my sink. I'd rather craft or decorate instead of doing dishes right now. So I have this brown wicker basket I've had for a long time. It was a Goodwill find a couple years ago. And I thought I would put some of this. It was paper that was wrapped around some iced tea jars. And I kept it because I really like the look of it. So I'm going to set that in the basket. And then I have this greenery. So what I'm going to try to do is get this bunny set down in the middle of the basket and then add these carrots right around it and the greenery. So let me get this started and I'll show you how it comes out. Okay, so I had to elevate the bunny. I just put a little bowl under there. And I thought it'd be really cute to add some of this eucalyptus along with the greenery that I'm just gonna tuck around. So let me get this greenery around and then I'm gonna start adding the carrots. So we'll see how this cute little bunny turns out. Okay, so I have tucked the greenery around. I really like the way the eucalyptus looks popping up through the greenery. So now I'm just going to tuck some carrots around and that'll be it for this little guy. So this is how it turned out. I think it's so cute. And you know what? I just decided to only use the Dollar Tree carrots. And I want to show you, for $1.25, they're adorable. I love the tops of them. It's just strips of felt. They're made really nice for $1.25. You really can't go wrong. So I'm going to leave it as is. I think it's so cute. I had a couple little of these green speckled eggs. I'm sure I have more. I just don't have them right now. But he's adorable. So I did not use these bundles of carrots. It would be too much. But I do know where I will use these. And I will probably end up putting them on my buffet table. So I'm going to consider this little guy done. I love it. I love the greenery hanging over the basket, the carrots, and the colors of the eucalyptus just popping out. They're so pretty. So I'm really pleased with how this little arrangement turned out. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of my cute little bunny display, and also what you think of my patio. Okay, love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.